In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the PDF page size using Foxit PDF Editor. Whether you're preparing a document for printing or just need a consistent page size for digital distribution, this process will help you modify the dimensions of your PDF pages with ease. First, you'll need to open your PDF document in Foxit PDF Editor. This is your starting point. Once your document is open, navigate to the Organize tab, which you can find on the toolbar at the top of the screen. This tab hosts several options for manipulating the structure of your document, and in this case, you're going to look for the option called Resize Pages. It's a straightforward tool that allows you to change the size of one or multiple pages. After selecting Resize Pages, you'll be greeted with the Resize Pages dialog box. This is where the real customization happens. The first setting you'll encounter is Page Range. Here, you have the choice to decide which pages you want to resize. It could be every page in your document, or if you prefer, a specific range of pages. For instance, you might only want to alter the first 10 pages. This option provides the flexibility to either target specific pages or apply changes universally across the entire PDF. Next, you'll move to the Resize section in the dialog box. This is where you specify the new dimensions for your pages. Foxit PDF Editor offers some preset page sizes like A4 or letter, which are convenient if you're using a standard size. But for those moments when you need something unique or specific, you have the option to select Custom. In the Custom setting, you can manually enter your desired width and height, allowing you complete control over the page dimensions to suit your needs perfectly. Once you've set your desired page size, there's an optional setting to consider: resizing the contents. This is an important step affecting how the text and images within your PDF react to the new page dimensions. If you opt to resize contents, the text and images will adjust to fit the new size, maintaining a consistent layout. On the other hand, you might decide not to resize the contents, which means the original size of your text and images will remain unchanged even as the page size itself alters. This is useful if you want to expand the margins, but keep the content size intact. Finally, when you're satisfied with your selections, click OK to apply the changes. Foxit PDF Editor will then process these adjustments and your document will update to reflect the new page sizes. This process is as simple as it is effective, saving you time, ensuring consistency, and setting your document up just the way you need it. By following these steps, you'll be able to effortlessly adjust the page sizes in your PDFs, making this a quick and efficient task. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you achieve the perfect format for your PDF documents.